It's a little, I think it was 1948 Cessna 140. Last time I was in this airplane, it was on floats out in Lewis Lake in Mount Uniacke. Kent and I, one of my instructors, was taking a float rating, and we ended up putting this little airplane in the woods. On takeoff, it's a pretty hot day in August. There's two of us, short lake. Did a compression test on the engine afterwards, and 3 of the cylinders were very, very low in compression. And here it is now. These, what, 30 years later maybe? Totally rebuilt. Back on wheels. Charlie Foxtrot. Foxtrot Papa India. And it belongs to a fellow up in Amherst. Flies a little grass strip.